Hi, welcome to this presentation about our interactive to-do list. My name is Vivek Oklu and I'm part of group number 5. So one of the first features that you'll encounter using our interactive to-do list actually is the ability to show a pop-up whenever you try to enter a blank task. As you can see, an alert just popped out here whenever you try to enter any blank task. And let's try to enter any task quickly here. Just give me 1 minute. And as you can see, we do have all the tasks added here, and you can see that dishing is not really a word. So one of the cool features about our interactive to-do list is the ability to edit any task that you've already entered. Now this makes much more sense, dish. So now you can save it, and now let's say you've already done with doing the dish. You just check it, and that means it's already completed. So how do you filter through the task whenever you have a lot of tasks? So you just use the drop down menu that we have here. You can usually filter between all completed and incomplete. Now let's say you didn't even need these two tasks here, just because as you can see it's being repetitive here, dish. You can easily delete them. So that's about our interactive to-do list. Now I was mostly in charge of the JavaScript sleeper backend. Now as you can see on our repo, this is our JavaScript backend code. And I was mostly in charge of everything up till when it came to the point of creating a function for the drop-down menu that we have here to sort out the task, all completed and incomplete. Now this is where I actually encountered my first challenge of this project, but luckily our group member Mushfika actually stepped up and helped out to create this function, and that was mostly one of my biggest challenge about this project. Now at the beginning we did have a communication challenge too, but we were able to resolve that pretty quickly and find a quick rhythm, to be honest, in using WhatsApp as a communication challenge. Now, I was mostly in charge of creating the repo also for this whole project, and our repo does have some cool features, just like we do have a project board, by the way, to interactive here.
Hi everyone, my name is Akiala Oluwaseun. I'm a member of Group 5 and I'm here to talk about our group project. We worked on the to-do list and I worked more on the CSS part, the look and feel of the page. And if you see on the screen here where we have the web application, we have decided to go with these colors because we feel they are bright enough to inspire our users as they go through their daily tasks. And on this other page here is the CSS file used for the implementation of the design. We had some challenges working on this project, and one of them was collaborating on GitHub. We had different errors, different issues, but somehow we were able to pull through. The other challenge was communication, but somehow we were able to leverage on WhatsApp as our communication tool. And I would like to use this opportunity to say thank you to my team members, Avish and Mufika, for their support on this project. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mishfika Hussain and I'm a part of Group 5. As you heard previously from my group mate Vivek, we decided on creating an interactive to-do list application. The purpose of this project is to help users efficiently organize and manage their tasks. Our target audience includes anyone looking for a simple yet effective task management tool. As Vivek stated, some key features include, of course, an input field to add tasks, the ability to delete or edit tasks, checkboxes to allow users to cross out completed tasks, and a drop down menu to filter the list to only show tasks that are pending or completed. For my contributions to this project, I was first assigned the role of implementing this HTML, as you can see here. Then we decided that me and Oluwason would work together on the CSS to make our program look as close to our brainstorm as possible. Afterwards, I worked on implementing the checkboxes and the drop-down menu functionality. This was actually one of my challenges that I faced. During this process, we honestly completely forgot and overlooked these features until much later. Thankfully, I was able to implement them last second. I will say it wasn't easy. I encountered a lot of issues initially. The checkboxes weren't adhering to the drop down menu logic, and sometimes the code would break altogether or things wouldn't display correctly. To fix this, I had to carefully write the JavaScript and adjust the HTML structure and the CSS for styling. But finally, after several attempts and debugging, I finally got them to work together as described in our project's features. Through this experience, I learned the importance of time management and planning. I realized how critical it is to prioritize features and allocate enough time for debugging and testing. Despite the challenges, I also think I improved on my problem solving skills, especially when dealing with the interactive elements in JavaScript and the CSS adjustments. Working as a team taught me how to collaborate effectively, divide tasks, and communicate when issues arise. Overall, I'm really proud of our work and the effort everyone put into making this project functional and interactive. Thank you.
So this was a quick overview of every single contribution by our team members. Hopefully you found this presentation entertaining and super useful. And if you're looking for the live page link, this will be available within the description below, as well as the repo link. Have a good one. Thank you.